Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to fill out an Early Learning SF application using your mobile phone. The next section is your preferred programs. Here, what you want to do is let us know if you have an ELS provider you wish to enroll your child in. Please know you may only add providers that are part of the ELS network. What you need to do is go to the search bar and type in the name of the school, then click search. Please locate the school you are interested in, and once you find it, click the plus sign and they will be added to your preferred program list, as seen below. Up above, there is a box that asks if you only want the program below. By checking this box, you're letting us know you are only interested in enrolling your child to this site. If you leave it blank, you're letting us know you're interested in this site, but you're also open to receiving any other potential offers. Once you're done, please click Save, and you can now go to the Miscellaneous section. Click on it, and here, please let us know what type of childcare program you're interested in, whether you're interested in licensed family early care and education programs, licensed centers, family friend, or neighbor care. Please select all that applies. Down below, there is a question that asks if you want to enroll all children at one location. This is only applicable to families who are looking for childcare for more than one child. Please click that applies and then save. Once you're done, you can now click finish, and you will see a disclaimer that lets you know that the information you provided us will be kept confidential. Please click agree the disclaimer, and now you will see a summary of a potential family fee that you may contribute. The family fee is based on the family size and family income. Once you're done, please click submit, and you successfully submitted your Early Learning SF application. Thank you for your time. We hope this video was helpful. Have a good one. Bye.